So, for your homework today, what we're going to do is look at how you calculate the angle sum of a polygon. The idea is you watch the video, you take some notes from the screen, and then you practice the questions that are at the end. When we come into the lesson next week, we'll start to use the knowledge that you've learnt from the homework in the lesson. So, let's continue. The first thing that you need to know is that a polygon is any shape that's made with straight lines. So all the standard ones, a triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, they all belong to the family of polygons. And the key thing is that a triangle has angles that add up to 180 degrees. And you can use this fact to be able to work out all of the other polygons that you might need to know. So, we'll start off with a four-sided shape. Doesn't matter which four-sided shape, we'll just do one entirely at random. The key thing is that we can cut this four-sided shape into triangles. So with this four-sided shape, we can draw a line from corner to corner and cut it into two triangles. Now that means 180 degrees in the first triangle, 180 degrees in the second triangle. So the angle sum of this shape is 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. And you should know that one already, 360 degrees in any four-sided shape. So if we move on to a five-sided shape, again, any five-sided shape, doesn't matter whether it's regular or not, we could split the five-sided shape into three triangles. Now the key thing is that the lines you draw to make the triangles don't overlap, they don't cross each other, they start from the same point, which is this point up here. So this one has three triangles, 180 degrees in each triangle, so that's 180 plus 180 plus 180, which equals 540 degrees. So it doesn't matter how many sides the shape has, so long as you split it into triangles, you just work out how many lots of 180 you have to add together in order to find the angle sum of that shape. What I'd like you to do for your homework, write some notes on what you've seen, make sure you have some examples copied down, and then try to answer the following questions. First of all, what is the angle sum of a five-sided shape a six-sided shape and a seven-sided shape? If you manage to answer those questions, try this next one. If you were given the number of sides in a polygon, how could you work out the angle sum without drawing a diagram? So for example, if I told you that it was a shape with 50 sides, could you tell me what the angle sum was of that shape without trying to draw a 50-sided shape, which would be very difficult, and cut it into all the little triangles? Good luck with the homework, and we'll talk about it in the next lesson.